Okay guys, once again I want to show you this amazing plot. It's in Mafia Island, a place called Utende, and it's from the main road. It's like 2 minutes. It's just like 50 meters from the main road. And this plot, as you see guys, it's a lodge, and there are a few buildings that are already been built, like a restaurant, rooms, like 4 rooms are already complete. And yeah, so it just need renovations since it hasn't been used for a very long time, and it's near the beach, as you see yourself guys, and also it's near Otende Secret Resort. And guys, this place is so nice, so nice. It just needs a good care, and someone who is ready to invest. Guys, the price for this place is 125 US dollars. Approximately in Tanzania is 320 Tanzania shillings, 320 million Tanzania shillings. Yes guys, for that price you can get this hotel. And yeah, let me just call it a lodge not a hotel, lodge. As you see, this is the restaurant, and the tables are there. There's a kitchen that has stoves, has a fridge, and you see, just needs a few renovations because there's this wind that blew the hotel away. As you see, the restaurant needs a renovation. The roof went off, so yeah, because there's this called Hidaya caused destruction here. So this the place, it has booking.com that was doing very good. It was 8.4,